Have you ever caught your partner lying and thought, why didn't they just tell me the truth? Today we're tackling that exact question. Why do partners lie? Spoiler alert, it's not always as simple as they're just being dishonest. In fact, the reasons behind it may surprise you. And stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm sharing one powerful tip that can help you bring more honesty into your relationship. Don't miss it. When lies sneak into our relationships, they erode trust like termites eating away at the foundation of a house. One study found that 85% of people admit to lying in romantic relationships at some point. It's almost an epidemic. But why do lies hurt so much? Because even small fibs can trigger powerful emotions like doubt, betrayal, and insecurity. Lies affect not only how we see our partner, but how we see ourselves. We start asking, was I wrong to trust? Can I believe anything they say? So why would someone risk causing all this hurt? Top reasons why partners lie. Fear of conflict. People often lie to avoid arguments. Let's face it, no one likes conflict. If a partner believes that sharing the truth could spark a fight, they might see lying as a shortcut to keep the peace. Ironically, this approach rarely works long term. Number 2, insecurity. Sometimes lies come from a place of low self-esteem. A partner might fib about their achievements or hide parts of themselves to seem more appealing. It's sad but true. Lying can be a way to protect a fragile ego. Number 3, fear of loss. One surprising reason for dishonesty, the fear that being truthful could lead to a breakup. If someone fears rejection or abandonment, they might lie just to keep the relationship intact. But remember, fear-based love doesn't exactly build trust. Number 4, protecting your feelings. This type of lie is common, though misguided. A partner might lie to keep you from feeling hurt or disappointed. But in reality, honesty is usually kinder in the long run. So if these are reasons behind lying, what about those deeper issues that are harder to see? The deeper hidden reasons for dishonesty. Sometimes lying can be linked to deeper emotional issues like anxiety, past trauma, or even depression. For instance, people with anxiety might avoid truth-telling to prevent overwhelming situations, while unresolved trauma can lead them to hide their true feelings. Gender roles also add pressure. Men might lie to appear strong, while women might hide their own needs. Society conditions us in ways we don't always realize. Before we move on to why we might be part of the problem, hit that subscribe button for Marisa in the World. We'll keep diving into important topics that can truly help you build a healthier relationship. Are you enabling the lies? Here's a big one. We sometimes play a role in the lies we're told. It might seem surprising, but often we avoid tough conversations ourselves or turn a blind eye to obvious untruths. This creates a cycle where lies feel more acceptable in the relationship. If you want to stop the lies, it's essential to be an active, honest participant. Ready to learn how to build that honest connection? Stick around because up next is a bonus tip you don't want to miss. Building honesty. How do you stop the lies? The good news, you can break this cycle. Here are some quick ways to encourage honesty. Create a safe space for truth. Make it clear that the relationship can handle the truth even when it's tough. Communicate without judgment. When your partner feels heard rather than judged, they're more likely to be honest. Set boundaries together. Discuss and agree on values that matter to both of you, like honesty and openness. Here's your bonus tip. It is the one tip that could change your relationship. Have a monthly truth check-in. Use this time to share anything that's been on your mind without fear or judgment. It's a great way to practice honesty while strengthening your bond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Marisa in the World if you haven't already. More relationship insights are coming soon. And let me know in the comments if you've had experiences with lies in your relationship. What did you do? See you in the next video.